Hello, Brett here from Colt in London. I just wanted to let everybody know we're going to be over in Athens from the 19th of September for a 3-day long hair course with lemon poppy seed training. We're super excited to be looking at new ways to address long hair, particularly long hair within the salon environment. We're going to look at classical techniques and we're going to change them in interesting and unique ways. We're also going to look at the way that we can make long hair more fun, more diverse and more challenging as well in a salon situation. It makes up 80% of our salon work, as I know myself working in the salon, and it's something that I find personally very inspiring, and I think you guys will as well. So get your tickets for Lemon Poppy Seed on the 19th of September for the 3-day long hair cutting course with Colt Education. Thanks. See you then.